Hey guys, good morning all. Can one confirm me guys? You can see my screen?
Good morning, sir. Yes, we can see your screen.
Okay, thanks for confirm. Fine, I think we can start. So first guys, let me introduce myself. So this is Chanti. I have a 8 years of experience guys in training as well as the IT industry. I have experience on 8 years of experience in IT and as well as the training as well. So currently, I'm a Java lead. I'm a Java lead. I was working for a one product based company. I was working in a one product based company. And my current project domain is the banking domain, guys. Banking domain. So how the banking system is there here in India? We are working for a project, something for US banks. Okay, and yeah, and the current project structure is completely guys, microservice architecture. I know the one who are listening this session first time, you are new to this session and you new to this terminology side. Okay, right? So this is regarding guys myself. Okay, and yeah, during this period, you're going to be uh, you're going to be learning two things from my side, guys. One is UI technologies and as well as something DBMS, complete DBMS. These are the portions of my from apart from the 360-degree institute. Okay, I think yes, we are good to go further things. And as per today session guys, I was help you to understand the following, the content, following content. Maybe you can see the indexes. This is maybe today index I was about to plan. Okay, guys, is my voice is clear? Somebody has pinged me in the chat that my voice is not clear. Yeah, guys, can you confirm? Is my voice is clear? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, thanks for confirming. And I know, guys, this batch students are attended from different streams. Okay, you are from CSE backgrounds and non-CSE background as well. And in general, don't think that the software, the company taking only the CSE people, that you guys are already knows. And even this training session will be on behalf of both, not for only CSE students. And we don't think that you already know something on top of we are giving some extra content to you. No, that's not will happen. I know how much you learn in your career. I mean, in your 4 years academic, in your BTech. Okay, we can guess, like, the way that you attended for the colleges, the way that you given the exams in your colleges. Okay, there are no issues. Now you have chosen a good choice, that is 360 degrees. Okay, just stay with us at least the 2 months, and definitely you have a good career in a good company with a good package, undoubtedly. Okay, so first guys, what I'll do, yeah, I'll go with something, how many types of application do we have in general? And yeah, there are some types of applications are there, standalone and web. So I'll try to go with from the scratch them, and how many types of web applications are exist. And after this, you'll come to know what are the projects are running on the IT industry currently. So to do the projects to work in that projects, what is a stack development we required? What is the software stack you required as part of your resume? That everything, guys, I'll go with the last topic as part of today's session. Okay, yeah, I think yeah we are about to start few things, and two things guys you need to remember. One is always be in mute, please, because your session is going to be recorded. After the session recorded, the session links will be shared to you. if you make this session without noise, so it will be very helpful to recap the things. So first be in, always be in mute. If there are any queries, guys, for you, yeah, always feel free to ping in the chat. If you think that there is no noise from your side, yeah, you can feel free to unmute and you can shoot out the queries. There is no specific time to ask your queries, guys. Okay, at any time you can ask the queries, but relevant questions you can ask, not irrelevant, topic relevant questions you can ask. You can unmute and you can talk if there is no noise from your side. And yeah, if any queries, yeah, you can feel free to ping in the chat. Guys, don't think that my question may be wrong. My question is very, very small. For you guys, it's big thing to you. Maybe others, maybe it's a very small, but for you, it's very big to you to know the answer. So happy to ping the questions in the chat. Okay, and make this session more interaction. Even I was connecting with you virtually, but I won't make you feel it's a completely online session. You can feel free to unmute and you can have a discussion with me. Okay, I don't judge you guys. I mean complete 360 degrees, all the trainers. We won't judge you, the way of that you are asking the question. We will not think that you don't know anything. Okay. Okay, yeah, that's it, guys. Maybe we can start the things, I believe. I want to show you some pictures, guys, before I want to start something. Yeah, can anyone just tell me what is this diagram is talking about? If you don't have any noise from your side, yeah, you can unmute. What is this diagram is talking about?
Different languages.
Correct. And yeah, don't give false answers. Something, one girl, one boy is there, they are communicating. Okay, yeah, simply the human to human communication, right? So one human can communicate with another human, guys, through languages. Yeah, definitely every country has their specific languages to make the communication. Yeah, so this is something, a human to human communication, and a human to human communication is happened through human languages. Yes, human languages like Telugu, Hindi, English, French, Chinese, Japanese, right? But do you really think that nowadays is it happening? A human is interacting with the human? Guys, do you really think that nowadays, human is talking to the human?
No, sir.
I'm sure less than 2 to 3 hours you are talking to someone. Only less than 2 to 3 hours per day. The most of the time, you have interaction with the machine. Agree?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, you have a mobile, might be you are spending a lot of time with your mobile only, rather than the humans. Chalo, I want to go with the next image. I think this is what the nowadays the trendy, a human and a machine. A human and a machine. Right? Yeah, a human giving his input to the machine through sensors or through keypad or whatever, or through through voice. A human giving his his requirement to the machine through sensors, through keyboards, right, through voice. He can give the the input to the machine. What machine is doing, guys? Machine is processing something and giving the response back to the human. Guys, are you clear this diagram? Guys, can you confirm in the chat? Yeah, you can just type single letters, guys. Just type yes letter, and type C letter for continue, yes letter for yes, and D letter for doubt. Okay, yeah, you can go with single letters. Okay, yeah, fine. Right, see, just now I have shown you something as a human can understand the human languages, right? Telugu, English, right? Hindi, so on. These are human languages, but machine understand only machine language. That machine language will be there, zeros and ones. Are you agree this?
Yes, sir.
Right. Can anyone just summarize why machine understand only zeros and ones?
Binary numbers, sir, machines.
That's what my question is. Why machine understand only zeros and ones? Why not other digits? In your keypad, you have 0 to 9 digits, right? In your keypad. Then why machine understand only the first 2 digits?
Voltage represents plus 5 volts and minus 5 volts, right? Plus 5
Wonderful,
volts,
wonderful. Yeah, correct. You are right.
plus
Guys?
5 volts
Yeah, you are
indicates
right.
1 and minus 5 volts indicates 0.
Correct. So all machine level components, guys, a machine, maybe a mobile or a laptop or a desktop, anything, it is made up of it, the few components like, capacitors, conductors, resistors, inductors, diodes, buses, cables, correct? Guys, agree?
Yes,
Guys,
sir.
agree?
Yes, sir.
So all these machine components, all these hardware components will understand only the 2 signals, on or off. On or off. Okay. So that on indicated with 1 and off indicated with 0. That is the reason, that is the reason, guys, machine understand only the 2 things, zeros and ones. Zeros and ones. Okay, that is what we have to call it as machine language, or you can call it as something, binary language. Bi means this language has only 2 alphabets. Guys, English language has 26 alphabets. Binary language has only the 2 alphabets, two alphabets, 0 and 1. So machine always understand only the 2 things only. Now the thing is here, see, human understand human languages, machine understand machine language. So who is the mediator here? Who is the mediator to make the communication between human and machine? Because human understand human languages, machine understand machine languages. See, if there are 2 persons are there, the first person know only English, the second person know only Telugu. If there is a communication should required for both them, then definitely we need a translator. We need a translator, right? In the same way, here human to machine communication, we need kind of, the translator. That is something, your softwares. That is something, softwares. And software give us to, something, applications. Software will, give some application. Through that applications, a human can, communicate with the machine. Even machine can communicate with the human. This is something, guys, softwares came into the picture. See, guys, these are all hardware components. These are all something, hardware components. The listed, I have written capacitor, conductor, resistors, inductor, diodes, buses, cables. All are hardware components. And through a software, a human can talk to machine and a machine talk to human. Softwares will give the applications to us. Kind of, camera application, calling application, calling application, right? MS Office, VLC player, right? They're all kind of, guys, applications only. Now the question is how we can develop these softwares. The softwares, guys, you can develop by using programming languages. The softwares, guys, you can develop by using, programming languages like, C, C++, Java, Java. These are all something, programming languages, guys. So using these programming languages, we can develop softwares. Softwares will give us, the applications. Through application, a human can interact with the machines. Guys, everybody clear this diagram? Do you have any queries on it? Everybody clear?
Yes, sir.
Right. I think, guys, I'll expect the answers from, non-IT background, because you are from CSE or IT background. You already know these fundamentals, I believe. I want to make you guys all in the same page. Okay. I want to make you in all same page. Yeah. Okay, fine. Think, guys, we can good to go, the next image. Next image. I have collected image. Yeah, this is what, guys, your role now. So you are a developer now, and you have to develop the code using different programming languages. You are a developer now, you have to do the code to develop that softwares by using different languages. C++ is there, Java is there, HTML, CSS, PHP. Python, Kotlin, Go, Groovy. These are all something, programming language only. So this is your roles now. Okay, we develop the softwares, guys, by using, see, we are now developers. We are the developers now, okay? And we can develop the softwares. Now, the question is, how many types of softwares we have? How many types of softwares we have? Guys, see, this is, the types of softwares. See the definition of the software is set of programs that governs a specific functionality. A software is nothing but set of programs to perform a specific actions. In general, guys, we have two types of software: system softwares and application softwares. Don't try to read it, please. Don't try to read it. Just follow my mouse cursor so that you can understand. Software two types: system softwares and application software. See, just think that this is you, and you want to buy a laptop. You want to buy a laptop. Definitely, you will order in Amazon, or you will go to Hyderabad CTC center, might be, or any hardware machine. I mean, any hardware, the showroom, and you have to buy. You can buy one laptop or a desktop. Whenever you buy, initially it's it's just hardware, guys. Initially, just it's in a hardware, and in this hardware, the first and foremost software that you are going to be installed, that is something operating system. Are you agree this? When you buy any laptop, guys, the first software that you're going to be installing in your machine is operating system.
Yes. Yes, sir.
Correct? Yeah. So operating system. After the operating system installed, like Windows, Mac, or Linux, then definitely you have to install device drivers, Bluetooth drivers, Wi-Fi drivers, camera drivers. Guys, agree? Guys, agree?
Yes, sir.
Right. After the installation, guys, definitely you have to install some system utilities, kind of antivirus. Antivirus.
Yes.
That is under category of system utilities. Guys, are you clear? The first category, system management programs type under the system category.
Yes, sir.
Follow my mouse cursor. Don't try to read the complete window. You cannot understand anything. Softwares are two types. The first software type is system software. When you buy a laptop, the first and foremost, the software that you need to install on a machine is operating system. I'm sure now we have more than 100 people now. I think I can give less than 10 people can install the softwares in your machine now. I mean, operating system. Only less than 10 people knows how to install operating system in your machine. Guys, you are a software engineer now. Okay. If doctor in general, if doctor suffering with fever, he won't consult to another doctor, guys. So like that, tomorrow, if any issues are there with your laptop or something, you should not reach to someone. You have to uninstall your OS, or you can install your OS with your own hand. You should not ask someone, and should not pay 500 or 400 to someone to install your operating systems. But it's happening now. In your first year academic itself, for all the branches, there's one separate workshop is your IT workshop. I know that days are very good to you, but definitely you will not concentrate on your career in that days. I know. But guys, we have to learn by our own hand. You should not ask someone. You should not. I never go to any the machine the repairing shops there. I won't go. I'll do repair myself. If any hardware things, then definitely I'll go to the repair shops. Unless if it is a software things, I never go. Okay, so this is something guys, system management program. So once guys, your operating system is installed, your device drivers is installed, and system utilities are installed, then definitely, yeah. Now I think in your 360 degrees, they will start at you something C programming language, I believe. Your basic C language they will start. After that, they will start you something Java. They will start something Java. So you need to install a C software called as Turbo C. Turbo C, right? And that software, guys, consists something, you know, translators, linker, loader, everything will be there if you install C. In the same way, guys, you need to install Java. Suppose if you want to develop a new software, either C or Java. Thus, Java software means JDK. I hope few people are already started Java. I think you already installed JDK in your machine. So, guys, this is something, you know, to develop the software. So, what is the extra software you need to install? That is something, you know, developing softwares. Okay. I hope this is clear to you all. And the next one, if you see, guys, application softwares. Application softwares. Guys, once you're done with the system softwares and, you know, development software, then you have to install something, you know, general purpose softwares in your machine. Kind of, you know, MS Office. This is all something, you know, guys, MS Office. This is all talking about, you know, MS Office. MS Word, the PowerPoint, spreadsheet, nothing but Excel sheets, image viewer. These are all something, you know, general purpose. General purpose. And guys, for specific purpose, we can use some software. See, suppose if you want to open a PDF, then you need an Adobe Reader. You need a, you know, Adobe Reader. Suppose you want to watch a movie, you need a VLC player. You need a VLC player. Right? You need a, you know, VLC player. Suppose if you want to browse anything, then you need a web browser in your machine. These are all something, you know, guys, specific purpose softwares. And through browser, yeah, you can reserve the tickets and you can give your attendance and through online. And if anything you want to bill, yeah, you can give the billing, right? This is all, guys, you can do through browsers. If you connect, your machine is connected to the internet. So this is all something about, you know, guys, the top types of software, system softwares and application softwares. Everybody clear, guys, this all? Are we good to go?
Yes, sir. I understand.
Okay.
Yes,
Good.
Yes, sir.
Right. So this is, guys, you know, actually I want to go with something, you know, some images with you. Let's talk about something, you know, what is a trendy now? What is a trendy now? I mean, what is a software system? What is the types of softwares we have and all we'll see. There are two more types of applications also there, guys. One is, you know, standalone and web applications. Standalone and a web application. Let's say you want to watch a movie in your laptop. That is a new laptop. Definitely, what do you need to do, guys? You have to download a VLC player. You have to download the first step, you know. Suppose, see, this is your laptop and you want to watch a movie. That the first step, you know, you have to download the VLC. You have to download the VLC. The second step, you know, guys, you have to install. And guys, once you download and once you install, so this VLC software, the VLC will give the services to you. Like, you know, playing the video, passing the video, increasing the volume, decreasing the volume, zooming, right? Everything, you know, under, you know, services only. The steps, if you see, guys, you have to download, then install, then it will give the services to you. And that is in your laptop. Let's say in your home, there is another laptop is there. Your brother's or your sister's laptop is there. Guys, tell me one thing. If you download and install the VLC in your laptop, are the services given to only this machine? Or the services are, you know, applicable to the second laptop also?
only first one.
Only first.
Correct. So if you download and install any software, and that if that application will give the services to current machine, then it is called as standalone application. That application we have to call it as something, you know, standalone. Standalone means that application will give the services to specific machine, not all. Not all. Are you clear, guys? This is what I mean by standalone.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Can you give me a few more examples? If you understand the concept, I was expecting some examples from you. VLC is one example I have given for a standalone. Can you give me one more example?
Calculator.
Correct.
Word,
Calculator. Yes.
Microsoft Word, Paint.
Yes. MS Office. Correct. You're right. And can I say Turbo C? If you install in your machine, you can do C
Yes, sir.
programs in your machine only, correct?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Adobe Reader, Adobe Reader. Yeah, Notepad, yeah, Eclipse, yeah, correct. JDK. These are all, guys, standalone applications only. Everybody clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, perfect. Now let me talk about, another application, guys, something, Gmail. Guys, I was talking about, another application, something, Gmail. Can you tell me one thing? Are you downloading the Gmail
No,
in your
sir.
laptop?
No.
No. Are you installing the Gmail?
No.
No. You're not doing this. Huh? You're not doing this. Not only you. Let's say this is you and this is me and this is someone. This is someone. We are all not installing we are not downloading the Gmail. We are not installing the Gmail in our machines, but you are able to access the Gmail services through internet. Through internet. Are you agree?
Agree, sir.
Yeah. So what do you need to do, guys? You have to create an account and then you can access the service. You can create the account and you can access the service, right? That is what happening here. You're not downloading and you're not installing. Through internet, you are connecting to that application, right? And you are creating the account and you are accessing the services. And through internet only, this is happening. And can you tell me one thing? In your machine, let's say this is your laptop. Through this laptop, if you want to connect with the Gmail, what is the software you require? Guys, what is the software you require to connect it to the Gmail in your laptop? What is the software you require?
Browser.
Excellent. You need a browser. Can you tell me some types of browsers, guys?
Internet Explorer, Google Chrome.
Correct.
Mozilla
Internet Explorer, Chrome, Firefox, Mozilla, Safari.
Mozilla Firefox.
Yeah. They're all something, browsers. Guys, you need a browser, any one of the browser. You need a browser in your laptop and it should connect it to the internet so that you can access the Gmail services. Are you clear this? Guys, are you clear this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So, and one more thing, where your Gmail data is available, guys, your inbox, your sent items, everything is all in your local machine or remote machine?
Remote
Local. No.
database.
Your inbox, your sent items, everything is available in remote, not in your local machine. Agree? Guys, agree?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Hey, I
How,
was
sir?
wait.
How, sir?
No. Hey, somebody says no. I want to know why no.
How, sir?
Ajay, okay.
Yes, sir.
Ajay, without internet, can you access your inbox?
I'm not asking no, sir. I'm asking how.
Okay. You are asking, how our inbox details, inbox data or sent items data is available in the internet. Is that your question?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. I'll answer this, Ajay. Yeah, actually, let me come.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Yeah. You can go to mute. Yeah. So his question is, guys, something, how our, the inbox data or sent items data is available in the remote machines, not on the local machines. Okay. And guys, not only Gmail, you can consider Amazon. Your orders, your shipping address, your shipping details, your card data, everything available on the remote machines. Right? And let's say Instagram, your post, your account details, everything available, on the cloud machine, that is internet, not in your local machine. Now I'll try to answer it. See, guys, in your machine, in your machine, if you want to store something, Definitely you need to go with your hard disk, correct? Guys, correct?
Yes, sir.
If you want to save one, if you want to keep, your all images in your mobile, or you are collecting some softwares, you're collecting some notes, and you're collecting some movies, definitely in your machine you need a hard disk. Correct now? Guys, correct now?
Yes, sir.
Similarly, and this is available in your machine. The hard disk is available in your machine. Hard disk available in your machine. In real time, guys, we have a same hard disk concept. That is, ROM, random access read-only memories. In real time also, guys, our applications, installed on virtual machine, guys. VM stands for virtual machines. Every virtual machine has their, hardware capacity and all. And don't think it is in GBs. Don't think it is in your GBs. Maybe in your laptop, you have a 500 GB hard disk, 500 GB hard disk, or 1 TB hard disk, 1 TB hard disk. But in real time, your virtual machine has, the sizes, guys, something, more than something, PBs. Guys, do you know the memory measurements? The first we have something, bits. Then we have something, bytes. Then we have something, kilobytes. Then we have something, do you know, guys, what is the next one?
Megabyte.
Correct.
MB.
What is the next one?
Gigabyte.
Correct. Next.
Terabyte.
Yeah, terabyte, TB. Next.
Petabyte.
PB, petabyte. Peta. Yeah. Next. YB, your terabyte. Guys, 1 KB is equal to 1024 bytes. Okay. And if your laptop has, some 500 GB, 500 into, 1024 MBs will be there. So this is your local, the capacity. But in real time, the virtual machines need to store not only your details. There are, lakhs of people are there for Gmail. Then how they keep their all the data? In TBs, in PBs, in TBs, in YBs, they'll store the data in their hard disk. At that much of memory, they provided. So your Gmail is installed on that virtual machines. Your virtual machines will save your details, your inbox detail, your sent item details. Everything is available, in virtual machines only. Are you clear this? Am I answered your question?
Sir.
Okay, fine. Yeah, this is something, guys. The second type of software is something, Gmail. Yeah, let me go with, again, backtrack. So did you install, download? Did you downloaded the Gmail?
No. Sir.
No. Do you install Gmail?
No.
No. Okay. But your data is available in the virtual machine. That is what on the cloud, and through internet only, guys, you can access the data. Otherwise, you cannot access it. So what I want to conclude, guys, we have two types of application: system softwares and application softwares. System softwares and application softwares. Can you see this, guys? The first question answer. How many types of applications are exist? Two types: standalone and web applications. Standalone means, guys, these applications installed and run on single machine. Example: calculator, notepad, MS Office, VLC player, Turbo C, JDK. These are all, guys, something, standalone applications only. Now, guys, web applications are nothing but these web applications are installed on remote machines, that is cloud, and provide the services to the client through internet. Through internet. Examples are Naukri, Gmail, Amazon, MakeMyTrip, Paytm, SBI Online, etc. All. Guys, are you clear? The first question answer: how many types of applications are exist?
Yes, sir. Done.
Right. And nowadays, guys, nowadays, there are very less use cases for standalone application, and there are more use cases for, web application. Let me take you one sample example in your mobile. If there is no internet and if there is no data balance, mobile data balance in your mobile, definitely hardly will use less than 1 hour per day in your per day, correct? Less than 1 hour you can use if there is no internet. For only calls you can use your mobiles. Agree?
Agree, sir.
If there is an internet, definitely you're going to be opening WhatsApp, Insta. You can most of the time you're going to be spent through web applications only, because this all web applications will connect it to the internet. So your data is available in the cloud. Your data is available in the cloud. That is what web applications. Now guys, now the IT 80% projects are web applications only. 80% of applications are web applications only. Only we have 20% the standalone applications only, guys, we are developing now. More than 80% we are concentrating on web applications only. Okay, and now let's talk about something this point also. What is the difference between standalone application and web application? What is the difference between standalone and web application? Can anyone please unmute, and guys, can you have a discussion? Can you read this, please?
A web application is an application stored at a remote server.
Yes,
It
yes.
requires-
You are clear this first point?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, web application is application stored at remote server, not in your local machine. Yeah, go ahead. Next. It
It
requires
requires a web browser to open the
a
internet.
browser and
the
internet.
data.
Yeah, to access the resource. If there is no browser, there is no internet, there is no chance that you can communicate with the web applications. Now, guys, can you see the second one, desktop or standalone? Read it, please.
Whereas a desktop application is an application designed to serve a standalone machine that don't require the internet for its operation.
Correct. Let's say you want to watch a movie, or let's say you want to, you want to prepare a resume. You want to prepare a resume, so you need not, you need to not require, the internet. Correct.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, that is what something, the difference between standalone and web application. I hope this is clear all.
Clear, sir.
Right. Now, guys, it's time to know, it's time to the types of web application. I told you more than 80% applications are now. More than 80% of applications are now, your web applications only, case, not on the standalone applications. Now, I want to show you two applications to you guys. I want to show you two applications to you. The first application, yeah, can you tell me what is this application, guys?
Naukri.com.
Correct. Naukri. Can I say it's a web application?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Tell me on which basis you are concluding that it is a web application?
It's
Because it is
work with internet.
Correct. Sir, without internet, we cannot access it. You are right. You are right. So your analysis is perfectly right, guys. So the first application, Naukri I was taking here, and Naukri is a web application. Naukri is in a one application, guys. Now, can you tell me what is this application?
Gmail.
Gmail. Is it a web application?
Yes, sir.
Correct. It is also, guys, one more, web application. So I was helping you out, guys, the two applications here. One is Naukri, and one more is Gmail. And guys, we got one confirmation something, these two are web applications. These two are web application. Let's say this is installed on a remote machine, and guys, let's say this is also installed on the remote machine. Let's say, guys, this is also installed on the remote machines. Maybe let me draw something, a network symbol. Yeah, this is something, they are in the cloud. These applications are there in the cloud. And guys, on the down, I was writing something, some client machines. I was trying to drawing something, some client machine. Client machine is nothing but your laptops, my laptop, and your mobiles and my mobiles. all we have to consider something, client missions. We have to consider, the client missions, guys. We have to consider, the client missions only. So these applications are there, in internet. These applications are, we can access through internet only. Right. Okay. Right. So guys, and this conversation also is required for you here. See, these are all client missions. And as I told you, you need software something, Google Chrome. Google Chrome. Google is a company and Chrome is a browser from the Google. Same thing, guys. Microsoft Internet Explorer. Microsoft Internet Explorer. Right? And Mozilla Firefox. Mozilla, Firefox. So Google is a company and Chrome is a one application. One web browser from them. Which is given by Google, guys. Internet Explorer is a browser given by Microsoft. Firefox is given by Mozilla people. Mozilla people, and the right side also gets the same analysis. So if you think that, guys, these are the client machines, let me take something, this is client system 1. And let's say this is something, client system 2. Let's say something, this is client system 3. Client system 3. A client can communicate with the servers. This is, guys, something, we can consider something, a server machine. This is. Yeah, we can consider something, a server machine. And the server machine, guys, that applications are hosted. In the server machine, the applications are hosted here. Okay. Guys, this is 2023 and it's a completely internet world and everybody knows these things up to here, I believe. Up to here, everybody knows, I believe. Now, if you want to get Naukri services, then definitely, guys, you need to make a request and you will get the response. So I can say this is you are making a request and this is, guys, you are getting the response here. Similarly, you need to make a request, any request, and the Naukri will give the response to you. Naukri will give the response to you. Here also, guys, something, a similar situation. You are making a request. You are making a request and it will give, the response to you. So this request and response, this request and response, is similar to, the right side part also, guys. This request and response, similar to, the right side also. So who will take care about, this request and response? Who will take care about, this request and response? This request and response, guys, take care about by one protocol called HTTP. This request and response, guys, take care about by, the protocol something, HTTP only. We can say something, guys, somebody, unmuted. Please, can you check? Yeah, be in mute always, please. I think Sai Venkata Krishna. Go to mute, please. I know, guys, intentionally you won't do. Okay. So, guys, this is something, how this request and response, will happen. There is a one protocol, the protocol name is HTTP. HTTP stands for Hypertext Transfer Protocol. HTTP stands for, Hypertext Transfer Protocol. Through HTTP protocol only, guys, a client system can make a request to the server system and server system will provide a response and send back to the client machine through HTTP protocol only. So this is, guys, what's happening in real time. That is a reason. That is a reason, guys. In the URL, if you see HTTP or HTTPS, you can able to see if you open any browsers. If you open any websites, you can see this HTTPS only. Guys, are you clear so far?
Yes, sir.
Everyone.
Yes, sir.
Right. Guys, tell me if you are a Naukri owner. If you are a Naukri owner, tell me your intention, how you are making the business. Who people are you are targeting to get your business? If you are a Naukri owner. Okay.
Job seeker, job
Uh,
seekers.
Job
Jobless.
seekers, correct. Excellent, excellent. Only job seekers or the recruiters from the IT company? Recruiters from IT company.
Yeah, recruiters also.
Correct, no? Recruiters, because the IT companies take your, the details with the help of IT recruiters only. Okay, so the Naukari is a one business application. Guys, listen, this is very, very important. And Naukari is a one business application. One business application. It's a clearly, one business application, and it's getting the business. It's getting the business from the customers. And here the customers are, let's say this is a customer one. Let's say this is, a customer one. Let's say, a customer one. And let's say this is, a customer two. And let's say, this is the customer three. Here the customers are, job seekers and as well as, IT recruiters. And this is give the business to, it is taking the business from the job seekers and as well as IT recruiters only. On these two people targeting only, they are earning the money. Are you clear this, guys? What is business application and who are the customers and how they are getting the money?
Yes, sir.
Everyone, confirm quick. Clear, guys, this?
Yes, sir.
So in that case, guys, we can call it as this Naukari is a B2C application. We can call it as a Naukari is a B2C application. Can you tell me what is B2C now?
Business to customer.
Business to customer.
Correct. Business to customer. Okay, business to customer. So the Naukari application giving the business to particular customers only. Here the customers are job seekers and recruiters. Job seekers and recruiters. Let's talk about right side scenario, guys. Can I say Gmail is also a Gmail is also a business application? Guys,
Yes, sir.
yes,
Yes,
it is also a business application. And who are the customers here? Guys, who are the customers here?
All people.
The one who need to communicate, with another person. Not only the job seeker, not only the recruiters. Anybody can communicate with one-to-one by using this business application only. And this is a business application, guys, a Gmail. And you and me are the customers here. Everybody, the one who are having Gmail account, everybody, the customers are for this business application, and they're running the business, by providing, the option, something, inbox, sent items, sending documents, mail alerts, right? These are all, services are given by, the Gmail only. So we can say, guys, something, we can say a Gmail is also one B2C application, one B2C application. Guys, B2C applications are, we have to call it as enterprise applications. The business applications, guys, the B2C applications, guys, we have to call it as enterprise applications. Enterprise application. So your B2C is one enterprise. Your Gmail is a one enterprise, and Naukari is also one enterprise. Enterprise is nothing but, guys, that application is giving the services, giving specific services to specific customers. Okay, that is we have to call it something enterprise application. Let's take Make My Trip application, guys. Make My Trip. Can we say Make My Trip is also a B2C?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So who is the customers for Make My Trip?
Travelers.
Travelers.
Only travelers.
Hotel owners.
Correct. Hotel owners, and the
Goods
one who owns
suppliers.
the hotels. Yes, customers, hotel customers.
Good suppliers also.
Correct. Good supplier. Yes, you are right. So these are all something, customers only. And that is also one enterprise application. Guys, can you confirm everybody up to here clear? Are you in track?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right. Now, I want to show you one image here. Can you just tell me what is this page? 1 second. I was going to another page. Yeah, I was going to another page. Can you just tell me, guys, what is this page?
Registration page.
Correct.
Registration.
Naukari registration page. Correct. And what is this, guys? Gmail registration page. Correct.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Guys, this is a Gmail registration page, and this is Naukari registration page. And you know what Naukari people are telling to you? If you are if you want to access my services, you know what they are telling? What they are telling? The option one, you know what they are telling? Fill your name, fill your email ID, fill your password, give your mobile number, and tell me your experience or a fresher. Guys, go to mute. Vaishnavi, yeah, go to mute. Yeah, okay, fine. Okay, and guys, here if you see, and you have to upload your resume. So then, you know, you can done your registration. So this is the first option the Naukari is giving to you. And Naukari is giving second option. Guys, can you tell me what is the second option to do the registration?
By
Google.
signing in the Google account.
What Naukari telling you here is, give your details. That is the first option. And second option, you know what they are telling? You need not to fill this all the details. If you already have a Gmail account, so click on that link, and give your mail ID and give your password, give your mail ID and give your password. So I'll talk to the Gmail and I'll finish your registration process. I will finish your registration process. That's what it is telling, correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Guys, listen carefully. You are in Naukari website. Okay. And here Naukari is giving an option, second option to you to take your details from the Gmail, correct?
Yes, sir.
So guys, Naukari is a one B2C application, one business application, and Gmail is also one business application. Naukari is one business application. Gmail is also one business application. Now, one business application is communicating with another business application. Are you clear this?
Yes, sir.
Are they communicating, guys? Can you tell me? Are they communicating? So if one application provides the services to another application, let's say, guys, this is happening here. Guys, this is happening here. So your Naukari is making a request to a Gmail to get your details. Again, guys, same protocol we use. Same protocol. The protocol is HTTP. So through HTTP protocol, we are making a request and we are getting the response back. So if one business application will make the communication with another business application, guys, then that is we have to call it as something, we have to call it as something, distributed applications. Guys, this is we have to call it as something, distributed application, and distributed applications are called as B2B applications. Can you tell me, guys, what I mean by B2B now?
Business to business.
Correct.
Business to
now, guys, in IT, we have a huge demand for the B2B application. Huge demand. Now, if you join in any company, definitely, guys, you're going to be aligned for a B2C project or a B2B project. You're going to be aligned for a B2C, or B2B project, guys. This is, guys, types of two applications, enterprise and distributed application. Now we have a huge demand for B2B applications rather than the B2C applications. Okay, and that is what, guys, the notes here is that. That is, guys, the notes is there here. How many types of applications we have? Two types, B2C and B2B. B2C applications, application provides the services to particular customers. Whereas B2B applications, guys, provide the services to, another enterprise applications. Like just now I shown you, Naukari to Gmail, Make My Trip to Gmail, This is all something about, guys, your types of applications. Guys, everybody clear with this so far?
Yes, sir. Clear, sir.
Right. Guys, if you want to develop now, if you want to develop, I want to conclude, guys. If you want to develop, either B2C or B2B applications. If you want to develop B2B or B2C application, then you should be a full stack developer. You should be a full stack developer. What do you mean by full stack developer and all? I'll show you tomorrow. Guys, listen carefully. Today you learn something, Guys, again, my next session will start with the question from today's session, guys. My next session starts with, the question from today's session. So you have to be revise this session. And all this recorded session and the class notes that I was showing you, this paint notes, everything is, guys, will share you through Google Drive link. Guys, I was sharing the Google Drive link to you to right away in the Zoom chat. And then the Zoom chat. So please, can you copy this? Guys, copy this. I have sent you in the Zoom chat now.
Okay.
Copy this link. And everyday class notes is available in this Google Drive only. Everyday class-wise notes. Even recording sessions also. Everyday class notes. Okay. And tomorrow, guys, we'll see something, what is full stack developer? What is full stack developer? If you want to develop either B2C or B2B application, you should be a full stack developer. So tomorrow I'll show you guys what is full stack developer and all. Guys, everybody clear? I'm about to close. Everybody clear so far? Can you ping
Yes,
in the
sir.
chat?
Everything is clear.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay, perfect. Okay then, guys. Tomorrow we'll see the continuation. Okay. Yeah. Bye, guys. Have a good day.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
sir.